Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can disable game activity on Steam. First, go to Steam on your Google Chrome. Make sure you're in a desktop site. Once you do, just go into the first link and long press and then go to open a new tab in group. After that, get into this one, and then on the top you'll see the three lines. Click on that and you'll see something called profile. Long press on profile. After that, go to open a new tab in group, and then when it comes up, then just click on edit profile, and after it loads it will bring you to a page like this, and at the bottom click on privacy settings. From there, just tap on game details, and at the next to it you'll see friends only. Click this and select it to private if you don't want anyone to see it. Also, put your friend list to friends only or private, that is up to you. And this is how you can disable game activity on Steam. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.